Alrighty guys, here's the follow-up video for how to install expanded storage onto the new Eufy Homebase. It comes preloaded with 16 gigabytes, which is not really a lot, but they made it super easy for you to get more storage added to it. One way, of course, is you can plug in a flash drive or a portable hard drive, just plug it into the USB. There, or up here you can actually install a 2.5-inch drive. So I opted in to get a SSD. This is a 1 terabyte SSD by Silicon Power, the A58 model. I found it around 50 bucks on Amazon. I'll link it in the description of this video in case you guys want to purchase it. But let's get started. So on these guys, all you have to do is you push up here and then you lift this front because this is magnetic. And as you can see, it is a tiny little Phillips head. So this is probably one of my smallest Phillips heads that I had. So you just unscrew it. Pull up, and then you'll install the drive. And I forgot to grab the extra screws. But this is the screws that you get with the Homebase kit. So we'll pull these out. Alrighty guys, so once you get them all screwed in, all you have to do then is just reinstall the drive back. Lock it into place. And put this screw back on. And that is it. Very, very easy to install a drive. According to Eufy, you can have up to 16 terabytes. I don't believe it's the actual drive, but it's a combination of both. But yeah, if you ever need to reset it, it comes with a little reset tool. Looks like basically like a SIM removal tool, and reset button's right there at the bottom. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.